Good luck plants. We all like having some good vibes in our life. These plants add good luck and good prosperity to our homes, and there are some times when we even don't know about them. So I will share with you some of the plants that bring good luck, prosperity, abundance and happiness. So when it comes to jasmine, these plants are said to bring a lot of abundance in life and prosperity, and also they are so fragrant. So have one of these jasmine plants in your home garden. I have this star jasmine, and peace lily plants are another wonderful plant that brings peace and harmony to your home and garden. Wherever is the plant, you can add them in your office environments too. So have one of peace lily plants growing in your garden. This is another good luck plant. Lucky bamboo plants are known to bring good luck and abundance and prosperity. So have bamboo plants growing in your home too. This is a lucky bamboo. Money plant. This is one of the best plants that you can have in your home, which brings a lot of abundance and prosperity and also good luck. They are good, they are purification plants too. So have one of them growing in your pots inside your home or in front of the house. Chinese little bamboo, also another plant that grows in your garden, and it's very easy to maintain, and they too bring good luck to your home. So have one of them, and easy to maintain plants inside your home and even in your office environment. ZZ plant is another good luck plant, air purification plant, and also they are said to bring money and prosperity to your home. And these plants are easy to maintain too, so have one of them in your garden for good luck and well-being. And areca palm is another plant you should have in front of the house, so they also bring a lot of good vibes to your home. Aloe vera, known for their healing and protectivity for the households, they are one of the best good luck plants growing in your home. You can easily grow them from small pups, and you can grow them in small pots and or in the ground or wherever you like. They are easy to handle and easy to maintain, and very effective and beautiful beneficial plant. So have them in your collection of plants, and they are no doubt they will bring good luck to the home. Variegated Fickles is another plant, beautiful foliage, which brings good luck to wherever the place that it is. So these are easy to maintain plants, so have one of them in your garden for good luck. Swiss cheese plant, according to Feng Shui, they bring longevity and respect and honor to the bearer or wherever the place that it is. So have these good luck plants in your home. I hope this video is useful, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.